Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. At ang puti ko na naman dito sa TikTok na to, pero that's not the important thing that I want to tell you today. Read this verse with me. It is found in Psalm 46 verse 1. Psalm 46:1. God is our refuge and strength, always ready to help in times of trouble. Ngayon po sa panahon natin ngayon, we are not sure of what tomorrow will bring. Why? Because we hear rumors of war, and hindi lang naman yun yung nakakatakot. Nakakatakot yung bilihin, tumataas yung gas, and everyone is so stressed and anxious to what will happen. And yung iba, financial, di ba? May mga financial difficulties and everything. And that's the practicality of life, no? Ang taas ng gas, ang taas ng bilihin, hindi natin alam kung saan natin kukunin yung mga pambayad ng bills and everything. But mga kapatid, I want to tell you this. The two things na sinasabi itong verse na to is that God is our refuge and our strength. Ang Diyos ang ating tanggulan at ating sandigan. Kailangan mga kapatid na ang Diyos ang gawing nating lakas at sandigan natin. Sa mga panahon ngayon mga kapatid, it is the only logical thing to do. To rest in the arms of God and si Lord na dapat nating gawing sandalan. Why? Because He is a refuge. Di ba? Kung meron tayong sasandalan, dapat, di ba kung tayo ay sasandal, dapat meron tayong sasandalan. And that is God because He is a strong fortress and a refuge. And number two mga kapatid, always ready to help in times of trouble. Alam niyo po mga kapatid, ang Diyos ang ating tawagan sa mga panahong ganito na hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin natin, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo patungo. Like the world is full of things that is unsure sa mga panahon ngayon. He is always ready to help you. And we have to call on Him, but we have to call on Him with all humility, just to ask God for His forgiveness, for His grace, for His mercy, and for His strength. At sa panahon ngayon ng pagsubok, siya ay nandyan, nag-aabang at nakaabang. Siya ay naghihintay mga kapatid na tayo ay humingi ng tulong sa Kanya. I hope this will leave you a certain lesson for today that God is our refuge and our strength and a very ready and present help in times of trouble. God bless all of you. Have a good day.